Spacer time, baby!
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are focusing on some more Boomba mods for Buttercup. We're putting the two-door aside and Buttercup gets the mods today. Now, what I have in my hand is the intake manifold spacer for a 2.7 liter and the throttle body spacer. You can get these products and a bunch of other Boomba products for your Bronco, Ranger Raptor, Bronco Raptor from my website at buckleupoffroad.com. So let's dig into these and start modding Buttercup. First up is the intake manifold spacer. This is made from high quality billet aluminum, and this spacer is all about increasing the air volume flowing into your engine. Now, here's why that matters. By allowing more air to enter the cylinders, it helps improve cylinder filling, especially at lower RPMs. What you'll notice is a much smoother throttle response, earlier boost, and a stronger, more consistent wave pulse of intake air charging into your engine. According to Boomba's stats on the dyno, these benefits really stand out. When the intake manifold spacer is paired with the throttle body spacer, we're seeing gains of over 20 foot-pounds of torque, plus a smoother and more powerful horsepower curve. It's an impactful upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in driving performance. Everything you need to install is included and no tune is needed. Now let's take a closer look at the throttle body spacer. Built from the same high quality billet aluminum as the manifold spacer, it's designed to add even more volume to the intake plenum. This means the engine can fill the cylinders more efficiently at lower RPMs, giving you a smoother throttle response and getting that boost even sooner. A unique feature of this throttle body spacer is the 1/8 inch NPT threaded port, which can be used for aftermarket injection setups like methanol or Aquamist, even pressure and temperature sensors. If you're not planning to use this port, Boomba includes a plug to keep things fully sealed and secure. Like the intake manifold spacer, installation is straightforward and you don't need a tune to use. Both the throttle body spacer and manifold spacer comes in 4 different finishes for your choice of blue, red, black, and a natural metal look. And just like that, we have it installed. I'm going to hop in the Bronco. We're gonna take it for a little test drive to see if we notice any differences in throttle response or anything like that. I am a little leery if I'm going to notice it while driving on the road. I really feel like I'm gonna see the benefits of this when I go off-road. In particular, if I'm going off-road and I'm kind of stuck on a rock or if I have to power brake, I feel like that's when we're really gonna notice the difference with the Bronco. I've been driving it around for a few minutes, kind of messing with the acceleration and everything. I don't see anything that stands out to me at this very moment, but like I mentioned earlier, I don't know if this is something that is gonna be so dramatic that you're gonna be like, whoa, completely blown away. You know, I just don't think it's that type of mod, but I do think you're going to gain something from it. So we're gonna have a little bit of fun. I wasn't planning on doing a Dragy hit with this, because I think any gains that we see from the Dragy are probably going to be little. But you know what? I'm always looking for a reason to do some Dragy hits. So let's go ahead, do that, and then we can talk more about what we see there. Woo! Hoppity hop! Over for this one because that was amazing, and the car next to me was probably looking at me like what the heck was going on, because Buttercup was bucking like a horse. I hope it comes through on the Dragy video. My top was like boop boop bucking like nobody's business. I've never experienced that before, so I'm really interested to see the Dragy numbers. I do think that that was probably my best hit ever. So in a combination with all of these parts and my amazing driving abilities, I better get some really great Dragy results with that hit. So let's go home, we'll look at all the footage and we'll see what we come up with. All right, well, I was not expecting to have my very best personal Dragy hit today in Buttercup, but here I am nailing it. So I'm going to give you the details. Before, my numbers at a 60 foot was a 2.25. Today I did that in a 2.11. My 0 to 60 before was a 6.62. Today was a 6.75. So that's technically worse, but in the 8th mile before, I did it in a 9.55. Today, I did that in a 9.53. So overall, I feel like it's much better. I think in combination with all the mods I've done, the exhaust, the air intake, intercooler, the throttle body spacer, the manifold intake spacer, all of these mods are working together to give me these awesome numbers, which means the performance of the Bronco is doing better, which makes me really, really excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you guys want one of these spacers for yourself, you know where to get it at buckleupoffroad.com. Until next time, buckle up, Buttercup.
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Better.